That Funky iPhone Kid talking to you guys about a couple of things and like about my trip and sorry that I haven't been there and why I'm not making a lot of videos and about the new MacBook Pro and the MacBook Air and why not the iMac has been released. Okay, so let's start on this. Sorry I haven't been making a lot of videos. I was on vacation at Clearwater, Florida. I don't know if you guys know where that is, but it's near like Destin and stuff, Tampa. It was really nice. We were there for 7 days, so I only got to make like one video there, and it was the projector case review, which I thought was really cool. It's one of my favorite unique cases. I have a couple of unique cases coming. Right when the Otterbox Armor comes out, I'll probably get that. And then there's a other case that I don't know if you guys know about, but it's called the Aquatech S, and you guys have to check it out. It's waterproof. It charges your phone. Sorry, I cannot talk. By a solar panel. It's awesome. It's like waterproof up to 20 feet, drop proof up to 20 feet. It's really cool. They look kind of big and bulky, but I'm not a big like it's not a big pet peeve. That's that. Sorry, I cannot talk. Okay, so let's talk about the MacBook Pro and the MacBook Air. Definitely the MacBook Pro is awesome. The Retina display looks awesome. It's expensive though, starting at $2,200. That's average person's not gonna spend that on a netbook. But it looks awesome. The processors, Ivy Bridge, and all that. Like I was saying about a month ago about the Intel processor. But then the MacBook Air is all the same hardware and all that stuff, except better processors, different, just a bunch of different CPUs and all that. But the MacBook Pro has a different. It's more. It's 25% thinner. I think it's a lot cooler. Why did they not release the iMac? I don't know. I'm going to get the iMac when the new one comes out. I really don't know why they didn't release the iMac with the MacBook Pro and the MacBook Air. I think it's because the iMac has been kind of in the same category. It's never really changed a lot like the MacBook Pro and the MacBook Air, like the laptops. So I think they're going to do something really big about the desktop, the iMac. And that's my thoughts about that. And then my future channel, I'm doing pretty good now. Thanks. There's some people that watch me and their Twitter, they tell their people to watch me. So I'm getting some more views, which is really awesome. And if you could do that, just tell your friends, family, even though I'm probably a nerd to them, but to watch me, maybe just get a couple of views. And if someone does have a YouTube channel, tell them to please subscribe. It really helps me. And thanks, guys. This is the end of this video. I'm going to have a really cool reviews and unboxings coming up. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay funky. See you later, folks.